So we got ourselves some goats. And the next step? Milking the nannies. To make that happen, we need a milking stand. Let me walk you through how we built ours, and hopefully inspire you to create your own if you're into raising goats. Luckily, I had some scrap wood and pallets lying around, perfect for this project. I started by constructing the frame using pallet wood. Next, I grabbed a 2x12 board, roughly 40 inches long. This is for the stanchion. After trimming an inch off each side, I cut it in half with my table saw. For the stanchion hole, I measured 17 inches up from the bottom and 6 inches down from the top, marking 1.25 inches from the edge. Using a jigsaw, I carefully cut out the hole, trying to round it off as neatly as possible. Since we have Nigerian dwarf goats, their legs only needed to be 17 inches long. I opted for the half-lap method to secure the frame to the legs. The front of the stand measured about 21.5 inches long. With the sides at 39 inches. Everything was dry fitted before securing to ensure it looked okay. To support the feeder and prevent the stanchion from moving, I attached 2 pieces of 2x4s to the front of the stand. They're also roughly about 40 inches long. We decided to fix the right side of the stanchion in place, though this isn't necessary for everyone. After securing the feeder holder, I realized I forgot to account for the space between the stanchion and the feeder, so I had to make adjustments. The base was crafted from pallet wood, sturdy enough to hold the goats. I used a 3/8 bolt with washers and a nut to attach the other side of the stanchion, allowing it to swing open. A hook and eye latch secured the stanchion in place. To prevent bowing under pressure, I added some metal support to the boards. Before testing, I coated the stand with canola oil for preservation. And voila, it's ready to put to the test. And it works like a charm.